Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect YouTube with Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. To connect YouTube with Mailchimp, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. Click on Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type YouTube to locate the integration option. Select the YouTube integration from the list. Click on the Connect button to start the linking process. You will be prompted to log into your YouTube account. Enter your YouTube credentials and grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions. Once connected, you'll return to the Mailchimp dashboard. Choose the audience you want to connect with your YouTube channel. Now, set your preferences for the type of data you want to collect from YouTube. Click Save to confirm your settings. You can now customize how mail campaigns will utilize your YouTube data. Go to the Campaigns tab to create a new email campaign. In the campaign editor, look for the YouTube content block. Drag and drop the YouTube block into your email design. Paste your YouTube video link into the content block. Adjust the display settings according to your preference. Finalize your email design by adding any additional content. Preview your email to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, schedule or send your campaign. Your Mailchimp account is now fully integrated with your YouTube channel. This allows you to effectively engage with your audience using video content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.